Okay, everybody. So apparently, this person thinks I can't.
I never said you can't. I just said it was stupid.
She thinks that chasing seagulls on the beat on the Grand Marais, and it only works in Grand Marais, is stupid. This technique.
No, I never said it was stupid.
This technique was developed in the Russian and Chinese people.
No, it wasn't. You came up with it last year.
I didn't come over here last year. This is in the middle of the ocean.
No, it's not. It's a lake.
It's the ocean. See, there's a guy over there. He thinks it's an ocean. So anyways, it was developed by Russians and Chinese
No, it
people.
wasn't.
Yes.
Liar.
They were.
Hater.
Back in the BCs, before there was an ice bridge that connected Russia and Alaska. So then they came over here with this technique, and that's how they foraged all the land, because all the birds were sitting there. And now I'm going to forage this land. Shout out to everybody who developed it.
Oh my God.
You ready for this? Wait, I'm not ready.
You are now.
I have to put on my shoes.
Those are socks.
Shoes. Part 1. Shoes. Get it? Shoe.
Oh my God, you're so
I
dumb.
want to stab myself in the leg.
Why do you tuck your socks into your pants?
I haven't tucked them yet. Don't ruin the surprise.
Oh, he also acts like grandpa, tucks his shirt into his pants.
Troy said it looked good.
And he wears socks and sandals.
That actually does look good together.
And he tucks his pants into his socks.
You hate her. Okay, stop. It only works in Northern America. I told you that already.
Okay, ready?
Can you hold these?
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Ready? Go.
You want me
Go.
to do the ultra technique?
I don't care.
But they might learn.
Then go, sure. Do the ultra technique. Yeah, he's actually pretty far away. He's yelling at me. Peyton, I might just stay right here.
I'm gonna protect you.
From what? Oh my God. He thinks he punched a seagull.
I do. I did.
I'm gonna go across over here.
Hold on. Can I say hi to the dog? Oh, let's do the jump.
Oh God.
Add some fire. Come back. No, wait.
Bye, Peyton. Peyton, I'm leaving you.
Wait, hold on. What did you jump back? Wait, no, come back. Stop running. Stop running.
I'm not running. I'm literally just walking.
I can't do this anymore. Hopefully, since I'm 6 years old.
You're not sick.
I am 60 years old, and I'm passing it on to the youth of this country.
You're 14.
I'm 60.
No, you're not.
Troy thinks I'm 60.
Troy's wrong.
Troy's wrong. You're wrong.
You're wrong.
Do you take my socks?
No, you have them. They're on your feet.
Shut up, hater.
I'm not a hater.
Get back.
Cross the bridge.
Go over there. That's the best camera angle. Go over there.
Go.
It's the best camera angle right there. Are you ready for this?
You just go.
Filming?
Yes. It's been filming the whole time, even when you were riding like a dinosaur.
Ah, my socks are wet.
Peyton, don't cross the other one yet,
Why?
so I can video you.
Okay, now watch how slow you guys go across. Super camera.
Well, if I went fast, I'd drop your phone.
If you look, there's none left. They're all gone. So that's now officially my land.
No, they're gonna come back.
If you come to Grand Marais, scare them off again. We gotta punch them. Punch
You've
the
never
goat.
punched a seagull, and you
Punch
never
the goat.
will.
Punch the goat. Did they leave without me?
Yes,
No.
it might have.
Mom! Mom!
Peyton!
No, my gear! What did you say?
I said your shoe.